Welcome to Shared Roamings. Our channel is dedicated to sharing travel experiences for the benefit of all. Hello and welcome back to Las Vegas. Today we are going to do a room review of a room in the Flamingo Hotel and Casino on the Las Vegas Strip. Flamingo is the longest running casino hotel on the Las Vegas Strip. It was the third casino to open on the Strip back in December of 1946, and the hotel followed shortly in 1947, but it's been the longest continuously operating hotel casino ever since then. For some time, it was owned by the Hilton Group and was known as the Flamingo Hilton. However, now it is owned and operated by Caesars Entertainment. In our estimation, the Flamingo Hotel is more of a mid-tier hotel that could use repairs in a few key places, including the elevators. One side of the elevator panels tends not to work, and this is not just for one elevator, but for multiple elevators. And we've even observed an instance where an elevator got stuck between floors and an emergency crew had to help people off the elevators. You can see here that the corridors of the hotel are pretty basic. Nothing extravagant, but fairly clean. We stayed in room 23153, which is a 2-queen bed room with a view facing the middle of the Flamingo Hotel or the Flamingo Garden area. The room itself was fairly clean. It is well kept. I would say it's probably more like a no-frills room, but they did have some amenities like a coffee machine, a safe, and a fridge. They also had a hairdryer in the bathroom, and overall it was a nice, comfy room, but compared to other rooms in other hotels, this is probably on the simpler side. If you're looking for a budget hotel to stay at while you're in Vegas, that's central to the Strip, then the Flamingo is probably a good choice for you. One thing to note that's not shown here is that the casino at the Flamingo does have a full offering of different table and slot machine games, and the minimums are pretty low compared to other hotels in the Strip. So if you're looking for a place where the gaming is a bit more affordable on the Strip, then the Flamingo is probably a good place to consider for that as well. If you do decide to stay at the Flamingo Hotel, it's easy to walk to other hotels such as Caesar's Palace and go to the Omnia nightclub right across the street. Or if you want to hit the Dre nightclub or pool club area, right beside it is the Cromwell. And if you want to walk to the Wynn or to the Venetian, there are just a few hotels up the road on the Strip. You can also walk all the way down to the MGM Grand. It's on the same side as the Flamingo is on the Strip, or diagonally across is the Bellagio. So as you can see, the hotel location is pretty prime, and it'll be easy for you to get to places if you want to find a central place to stay at on the Strip. Our goal in this video is to show you what a standard room in the Flamingo Hotel looks like at the center of the Strip. We do have some other videos of other hotel rooms that we've shown in Las Vegas as well. Please do consider subscribing and giving a thumbs up to this video if you found it useful. And we hope that you enjoy watching our other videos in the future as we post them. We wish you happy and safe travels wherever your journeys lead you next. Have an awesome day.